Hong Kong in talks with prospective stablecoin firms, says InvestHK chief. Hong Kong. Stablecoin. New rules expected to take effect next month are prompting discussions among firms evaluating Hong Kong as a base for stablecoin and digital asset operations. Author. Hongji Feng. Author. Hongji Feng. About author. Hongji is a crypto and tech reporter. He graduated from Northwestern University's Medill School of Journalism with a bachelor's and a master's. He has previously interned at HTX, Huobi Global, author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated 3 hours ago. Why Trust Cryptonews? Cryptonews has covered the cryptocurrency industry topics since 2017, aiming to provide informative insights to our readers. Our journalists and analysts have extensive experience in market analysis and blockchain technologies. We strive to maintain high editorial standards, focusing on factual accuracy and balanced reporting across all areas, from cryptocurrencies and blockchain projects to industry events, products, and technological developments. Our ongoing presence in the industry reflects our commitment to delivering relevant information in the evolving world of digital assets. Read more about Cryptonews. Key takeaways. InvestHK's Alpha Lau says stablecoin firms are exploring entry into Hong Kong ahead of new regulation. Nearly 50% of recent mainland Chinese firms entering the city did so under national policy support. Licensed institutions are expected to drive digital asset adoption through regulated financial channels. Several potential stablecoin operators are in discussions to establish operations in Hong Kong, according to Alpha Lau Hai Soon, Director General of InvestHK. Hong Kong Economic Journal reported on July 7 that Lau said the fintech sector places high importance on the development of stablecoins. She believes stablecoins can bring opportunities to the trade and investment markets and support global currency diversification. Hong Kong sees incoming stablecoin firms ahead of regulation. Lau stated that the city expects new stablecoin-related businesses to begin setting up shortly after the upcoming regulation takes effect next month. She also suggested that Hong Kong's stablecoin policy has become a key factor attracting these companies. Lau added that nearly half of the 630 mainland Chinese firms that entered the Hong Kong market over the past 2.5 years did so as part of a broader push encouraged by national policy. On macroeconomic shifts, Lau addressed risks related to U.S. trade policy. She said Hong Kong remains a free port, but businesses need to diversify beyond American markets. She also pointed to tax competitiveness and recent redomiciliations of insurance firms as signals that Hong Kong retains appeal for corporate base building under its revised policy framework. Sinolink Securities HKI's digital asset expansion. Sinolink Securities, Hong Kong, a wholly owned subsidiary of Sinolink Securities, is preparing to apply for a digital asset trading license in Hong Kong. The firm said it has held multiple discussions with domestic and international entities experienced in digital asset regulation and operations. It is currently advancing the formal application process for the license under the SARS Evolving Virtual Asset Framework. Sinolink's subsidiary already holds 5 licenses from the city's Securities and Futures Commission, covering securities dealing, futures contracts, investment advice, corporate finance, and asset management. The upcoming stablecoin regime in Hong Kong could be a shift among Asian financial hubs to regulate digital assets through formal licensing. While Singapore and Japan have made similar moves, Hong Kong's focus on transactional use may set it apart in attracting certain operators. Sinolink's entry suggests that licensed institutions will lead early activity. Rather than consumer apps, firms are tying virtual assets to trading, investment, and treasury services, linking new tools to existing financial systems under close regulatory oversight. Frequently asked questions, FAQs. What role do existing financial licenses play in virtual asset adoption? Firms like Sinolink use their existing regulatory approvals to extend into digital assets, allowing a smoother integration with traditional financial services. What types of companies are likely to lead early stablecoin use in HK? Entities already operating under SFC licenses are positioned to lead, especially those engaged in trading, asset management, and advisory services. What is the corporate tax impact on digital asset firms setting up in Hong Kong? At 16.5%, Hong Kong's rate exceeds the global minimum but remains low enough to support firm-level relocation, especially when paired with redomiciliation options. Follow us on Google News, Trending News, Recommended popular crypto topics price predictions. How Tether co-founder William Quigley views crypto regulations in Trump's second term. Trump appoints PayPal veteran David Sachs as White House AI and crypto czar. XRP price prediction. Crypto analyst says Wall Street's full-scale entry is just beginning. $100 XRP next target. Google's Gemini AI predicts the price of XRP, Picoin and Bitcoin Cash by the end of 2025. Which crypto aggregator platforms to watch in 2025? Price analysis. XRP price prediction. Is consolidation over? Crypto Michael's chart hints at explosive move. 1 day ago. By Arslan Butt. Price analysis. XRP price prediction. Swiss bank embraces Ripple's lust. Billions flowing into XRP? 2 days ago. By Simon Chandler. Price analysis. Google's Gemini AI predicts the price of XRP, Solana and Cardano by the end of 2025. Best crypto to buy now in July 2025. Top crypto to invest in. 5 days ago. By Alan Draper. Best new cryptocurrencies to invest in July 7, 2025. 3 hours ago. By Inesis Tavares. 12 best crypto presales to invest in 2025. Presale crypto list. 3 hours ago. By Alan Draper. 12 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in July 2025. 4 hours ago. By Elijah Rankovich. 15 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 3 hours ago. By Elijah Rankovich. What is the next crypto to explode in 2025? 5 days ago. By Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. 11 hours ago. By Leon Waters. Ripple, XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. 2 days ago. By Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. Will ETH bounce back? April 2, 2025. By Ben Beto.